hacks. And also, I'm going to show you how to get Kahoot hacks. And also, I'm going to show you how to get Kahoot, how to make your own Kahoot. And I'm going to show you how to make your own Kahoot. Okay? So first, for the Kahoot hacks, you want to go to Kahoot hack. I'm recording. They can only see screen. So what you want to do is you want to look up Kahoot hack. Go to this one, Kahoot winner, a bot made by the ISF app. And then you want to click here.
Hello,
As you can see, you can make any glitch you want. There's a game pin right here. Yeah. You can put in the game pin. You can enter it with the sentence. All you need to do is type Kahoot hack and go here. So now, if you want to make a Kahoot, just look up kahoot.com, sign up, and then when you sign up, you could get it. And then, what is this? I already got in Kahoot. I signed in Kahoot off cam. Maybe later. And as you can see, I already made 2 Kahoot games. So what you want to do is go to create and click on create new Kahoot, create. And it's very simple. And you can also pick these questions. If you want to delete one, go to delete. And if you want to duplicate one, just press duplicate.
Keep leaving.
True or false? Of course.
Only got one.
Type answer. Puzzle. Roll. Or slide. So
Chris didn't even try to
that's how you get a Kahoot hack and how you make a Kahoot.
Impossible again. Let's go.
So bye.